How to download Jump Force on Android mobile. So if you want to download Jump Force on Android mobile, then what you need to do is first you need to install an application which is Chiki. So this is the application. You need to simply install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Once you install the application, next thing you need to do is you need to have a VPN. So you need to simply go with a VPN service or VPN application and make sure to connect to a VPN. Once you've connected to a VPN, now you just need to simply go back and you can open up the application, which is Chiki. And after that, you need to go with search, which is on the upper right. And here you just need to simply go and search for the application, which is Jump Force. Once you search here, you will have the Jump Force application. You can simply log into your Chiki account or create a Chiki account and you'll be able to install the Jump Force application. So that's it. That's how you can play the Jump Force on your Android mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.